Today we are in Naples, Italy, the birthplace of pizza. And instead of just eating a pizza like most tourists, we decided to learn how to make a real Neapolitan pizza ourselves. So we joined a traditional pizza class right here in Naples, where local chefs show you the real secrets behind the world-famous dish. From mixing the dough and stretching it by hand to choosing the right ingredients and baking it in a wood-fired oven at nearly 500 degrees. It sounds simple, but making a real Neapolitan pizza is actually a lot harder than its look. And there was one small problem. My wife now got so excited the moment we started that she could not stop laughing the entire time. I'm not even sure if we learned how to make a pizza or if we just created a complete chaos in the kitchen. But by the end of this class, we will find out if we can actually make a real authentic pizza from Naples or if we should just stick to eating them.
We are at a pizza workshop.
Yeah, we're going to prepare some pizza today.
I'm sorry, lower your expectation because you're gonna have a cracker.
Let me see you, Daddy. How do you do that? Paparazzi.
What we want is to make a really nice ball and all the flour mix with the water and the yeast. At the end, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. This is not your husband, it's a dog. Faster, chef, good. Like if you are a kitchener, chef, you have, yeah, keep going. Okay. Half an hour.
What?
Faster, good. Come on, mama, come on. Don't touch the dough.
To fold the dough over.
And then we are gonna have sort of a ball. But we are gonna pressure at the same time, so we are gonna put some air. Then we close it, and our ball is ready. Fold it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. With the side of your hand. Make a pressure. Press it. Beautiful. Pick up and stretch it.
Okay, and you
turn
it around?
Yes, it's turning around alone. Okay? Go. Chef, look at me. You don't have to touch the dough with the palm of your hand. Okay? The real pizza margarita, we use semolina. Semolina is a yellow flour, a little bit browny. If you see a Domino's pizza, they put it around, it's a little bit yellow. Because you are not expertise in pizza, okay? Your yellow, your dough can change to yellow. And because the dough is gonna be cooked so fast, we can burn the dough and it's gonna have a sour flavor. That's why we use rice flour. We are gonna start to open the dough. Go slowly. Turn the dough. Open it, open a little bit more. Can you feel the elasticity of the dough? Make it turn. All the time from your side. That's why you have more heat. Very good, chef. Chef, one hand, you just push. Good. Again, with your nose. From the bottom up. 1, 2, 3. We flip it. 1, 2, 3. We flip it. Enough, Carla. Perfect. You go.
And from the bottom up.
Don't do it anymore. Check is okay. Don't touch it anymore. Thank you so much.
How many times?
3 times. Look at me. You're stretching the dough from the middle. If you stretch the dough from the middle, the dough is going to be very flat over here. It's going to be very thin. That's why we make a cornicione. So we can have more dough around and we can stretch it much better. Okay? So go. Slowly. Okay. A little bit more. Great, chef.
exactly round?
It's nothing important. Doesn't matter because the pizza margarita is not round. A little bit more, a little bit more. Don't shake, chef. I have plenty of dough over here. Now, yes.
400 degrees.
It's thin here.
Baking soda will elevate the pH of the tomato and the acidity will disappear. Okay? And you will not have the acidity in your stomach. And also, we are not gonna put too much tomato sauce. Why?
So it's a thin pizza.
Because if you too much heavy.
Because we are poor.
De Corinthia.
Just a little bit. So we are gonna cover the basil leaf. Okay?
Come si sente così?
Not much is gonna be melt perfectly. So, chef,
It's a cow cheese.
we are poor, but not too much. And also, what I want, that when we take out the pizza from the oven, we have a great balance of flavor.
So I will shake yours also.
Let me see, chef.
Four.
And then number what?
Ladagna. If I want you. Chef, your pizza. Chef, 5. Beautiful pizza. You see that the pizza doesn't have to be perfect circle?
Yes, but it
You want olive oil? No.
Yeah?
I made this pizza.
How is it?
Tasty.
After the Second World War.
Flip it. Here we go.
That's why when
Like a sandwich.
you will see, that's why the food here.
I like this pizza. That's the first time I actually made pizza in my life.
Did you notice
Look at
how
it. It's crispy like I love. I actually made it.
Did you notice how he works with his hands? It's really special. I all the time wonder how come in every pizzeria the guy who's making the dough has like the movements. It's part of the.
He's doing that for 20, how much you said, 22 years by now.
Yeah, but yesterday we've been in the pizzeria and they've been doing it for 10 years and
it
they
was-
are holding the dough in a special way.
And the pizza wasn't that good. The pizza here is much better.
Yeah, it's a Napoletan pizza, it's different.
This is my diploma of Naples pizza. Now I officially can make
Yes.
pizza everywhere I want.
Why the Napolitan people are so proud of their products?
Everything that goes into the pizza, they are proud of.
The cheese! The cheese is very important. The reason that it needs to be simple is in order to be authentic.
The chef, Lucas, was so nice. He told us a lot of things about the background of Naples pizza. And afterwards, we got to work. Each one of us got to touch all the ingredients.
Yeah, and you got to understand why the dough needs to rest. And that's why the dough we made today is to use for tomorrow, and the one we use today is
Was
actually
made 24 hours ago.
So it was a great pizza. Everything is so gentle flavors.
They are proud of the natural flavors of the ingredients. All the flavors comes from the earth, the minerals in the earth. Mount Vesuvius is here and it donated a lot of minerals and taste to everything that grows here, to the water that comes from the earth. So everything needs to be simple, without any spices, and still it's great.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to the full experience.
Yeah!